The Gordon, Enviroweek, the Geelong Technical Education Centre. Here we have a graph of power consumption and power production for a house with solar panels. The red graph represents power consumed from coal-fired power stations. Below, the green graph represents excess clean energy exported to the grid from PV cells. To better explain the situation, we will look at the appliances that consume energy. Here is the energy required to run your fridge and standby lights. Between 6 and 7, 8 will be the energy consumed by your toaster and kettle cooking breakfast. Here is the energy exported to the grid above what is consumed running your appliances. Here in the evening is your cooking, television, charging devices and the fridge. Here is the deal. The household consumer pays 25 cents a kilowatt hour for this energy. Yet when the household exports energy to the grid, it only receives 8 cents a kilowatt hour. Plus the household has to pay $300 line rental a year. How does this stack up? Well, it's 27% efficient to the household. That is to say, on this day, Wednesday the 4th of September, this household consumed 2,175 watts and exported 3,291 watts. Yet, due to the unfair 8 to 24 cent wholesale versus retail transaction, the eco-friendly house makes more energy than it consumes, providing energy to the grid when it's most needed, yet the solar house is still left with a significant bill. Yet this clean household is doing the planet a favour. You cannot compare clean energy with coal energy. Would you buy an apple at retail for 24 cents and then sell this apple at wholesale for 8 cents? Not good business. Where is the incentive for producing electricity for the grid between 8 and 3 when it is most needed? We've identified the problem. Clean energy does not equal coal energy. The solution? If we designed a fridge that charged itself between 8 AM and 3 PM, it could turn itself off at night time. The technology exists. If we design an app that works with the Weather Bureau, our dishwashers, washing machines and other devices could do the work between 8 and 3. Our televisions, etc. will run off a smaller battery at night time. This will get rid of this energy consumption from the grid, decrease what we sell to the grid at a measly 8 cents, still allowing us to store energy for nighttime use. A greener future. For every big problem, there are hundreds of small solutions. Do you want this clean energy outcome or not? The youth of Australia and the world have inherited this massive problem, climate change. It is now time to invest in research and development so we can fix the problems bestowed on us. Thank you to Cool Australia for their awareness campaign. Act now and let the leaders of this country know that you want to see the climate issue addressed now, before it's too late. It's a truth. We can do something about climate change.